Hello everyone, this is Abhinandan, your host. This video is specially dedicated to all parents and their babies. We bring you some of the most amazing inventions that every parent must have. These inventions are so fascinating that you being a parent will desire to have them right now. We are truly excited to share these ingenious inventions with you. So let's have a look at each of these creative inventions one by one. Boon. Let's have a look at this cool invention called Boon Squirt Baby Food Dispensing Spoon. This gadget is basic two-piece design. Unscrew the basic squirt, fill it with your desired baby food, screw the spoon back on, and you are ready to go. With one squeeze you get easy one-handed feeding. Dispense baby food one bite at a time. Pop on the cup to seal the food for on the go. So guys, if you like this invention, hit the like button on this video. Ola Baby Training Spoon. Let's have a look at this cool baby training spoon gadget. Introducing Ola Baby, which is made up of 100% food grade silicone. BPA free, bendable and soft on baby's gum, making your baby enjoy eating food. Flexible material to scoop food at any angle. Ola Baby Silicone Soft Tip Training Spoon Teether for Baby. Ola Baby encouraging baby to learn self-feeding. BPA free and dishwasher safe. So guys, if you like this invention, hit the like button on this video. Pop and Play Portable Play Yard. Leaving your baby on ground for some time can go wrong. Introducing Pop and Play Portable Play Yard by Summer Infants, which is a lightweight, freestanding and portable for use of indoor and outdoors. The lightweight folding metal frame comes fully assembled and unfolds in seconds, having airy mesh side for easy visibility. Your baby is now more protected than ever, creating a safe play area for your baby anywhere you want. Pop and Play Portable Play Yard, best choice for your child play. So guys, if you like this invention, hit the like button on this video. Snow. Let's have a look at this amazing invention, Snow Smart Sleeper, that adds more sleep by soothing babies with the constant rumbly sound and gentle rocking they loved in the womb. This smart sleeper automatically responds to cries. It responds by gradually strong white noise plus motion to find the best level to calm fussing. Like your own personal helper, Snow Smart Sleeper that boosts your baby's sleep. So guys, if you like this invention, please share it with your friends too. Cozy Covers. Are you worried about your baby all the time? Introducing Cozy Covers for all the parents who want their babies protected, warm and secured, without getting into the hassle of bulky baby clothes. Cozy Cover is cleverly designed to protect your baby from frozen winter mornings or chilly summer evenings. This gadget comes with universal design to provide ultra soft protection to your baby. Your baby is now more secure than ever. So guys, if you like this invention, do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the upcoming updates. We will be posting more video every day and every weekend. Please give us your feedback. We will be more than welcome to listen to your suggestions. Thank you. See you in the next video.